Okay, so I own both the Poolin EOC06 and the EOC07. And if I had to pick just one of these machines to have, I would definitely go with the 07. In today's video, I am going to discuss exactly why, the cost difference, and the troubleshooting differences between the two machines that I experienced as a brand new embroiderer. Hey guys, and welcome back to another video here with Angel B Designs. I'm Angel B. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. When you're shopping for your first or your next embroidery machine, it's easy to just look at the price tag and grab the cheaper option. That's what a lot of us do when shopping. And look, I get it, but I made decisions based on price alone before, and it ended up costing me way more in the long run. So like I said, today I'm gonna break down the issues I had with the 06, why the 07 is different, the price difference, and which machine I would recommend for beginners. While we chit chat, I'm gonna test stitch a new design that I have, so grab a pen and paper and let's get started. All right, you guys, so let's quickly go over the materials for the project I'm gonna be doing today. And I'm just test stitching a new back to school design. I'm gonna be using some Mylar, but I do have my hoop already hooped. This is the standard hoop that comes with the Poolin EOC07. As of right now, at the time of this recording, there is not a magnetic hoop for the 07 like it is for the 06. Between the two machines, they did end up changing the bracket system, which is this here. So because of that, any of the magnetic hoops that you have for the 06 do not fit for the 07. That is a downside as of right now, but again, the 07 is a newer machine, so they may be coming, they may be on the way, but as of right now, because of the different bracket system here, there is no magnetic hoop that fits on the 07. So you do have to use your standard hoops, which I've already done here. I have 2 pieces of cutaway stabilizer with just a piece of t-shirt material already hooped. I do have my first color. This design I'm doing is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different colors. I have my first one loaded already. It's a green color. I have my thread here, which is the rich wood thread, and then my piece of Mylar. I am doing a Mylar design. But let's kind of go ahead and get into the things of the Poolin EOC06 and the Poolin EOC07. Now, let's talk about some of the differences between the actual machines. Obviously, you're gonna have your hoop size is going to be one of the biggest differences. And then, like I said, the fact that the bracket system has changed. However, in terms of the actual size of the machine and the size of the extension, they are the same size. So that this is the machine, this is the extension. They are the same size. I do have the 06, it's just in a box. Again, because they are the same size, I didn't feel the need to have to actually bring it out to physically show you because they're the same size. So yeah, the 06 and the 07, the machine is the same size, the extension is the same size. So in terms of, will this fit on my table? If I were to upgrade to the 06, will it fit on my table? All of those things, they're the same sizes. I'm doing SPM 600, which is stitches per minute. My tension is on 12, and I'm just gonna go ahead and get started on this. So yeah, they are the same size. However, they are not the same price. Okay, so right now, at the time of recording, this is the Poolin EOC06, and it is $1,220. And the biggest embroidery area for that is the 7.9 by 11, so it is a little bit smaller than the 7. The max speed on it is 860 PM. You have a 7-inch HD touchscreen and 200 built-in designs and fonts. They have the Wi-Fi, so you can use the Wi-Fi, and you can also use the InStitch. That is the price difference between that's the price for the 06. Now the price for the 07 is $1,579. So it's literally like a, $359 price difference. I'm not a mathematician, so if that's wrong, I'm sorry, but it's like a $350 to $400 price difference between the two. And the biggest difference between the two is going to be your embroidery area. On this one, you have a 7.9 by 15-inch embroidery, about 4 inches wider. And in terms of doing larger designs on larger t-shirts, such as anything above like a 1X, that does does give you more options and more versatility to be able to do, like I said, larger designs for larger sized t-shirts if that's what you were wanting to do, or just in general larger areas. So that's the main difference. The max speed on the 07 is also 160 SPM, 7-inch HD touchscreen, 200 plus built-in designs and fonts. You have the Wi-Fi and you have the InStitch. So it's all pretty much the same. The biggest differences that I'm seeing, like I said, as of the recording today, is the embroidery area is bigger, which is the price difference of the $359. And then the fact that there isn't any magnetic hoops available for the 07 as of yet. For the 06, you do, I'm looking on the Poolin website right now, so I'm not looking on any other website. You know, you have Swing Designs, you have Amazon, you have a bunch of different companies that are selling it. I'm specifically looking at the Poolin, the official Poolin website. It does come with 4 hoops. So you get 2 of the, I think it's the 5.5 by 5.5 for the 06. You get 2 of the 5.5 by 5.5. You get the 7.87? I think it's the 7.87. And then you get the 7.9 by 11. And then with the 07, same thing. You do get the 2 5.5 by 5.5. You get the 7.87 by 7.87, which is the size hoop that I am currently using right now. And then you get the bigger one, which is the 7.9 by 15. So each of them come with 4 hoops. So that is the price difference between the two and the functionality between the two. I'm gonna go ahead and change my thread, and we're gonna talk about what issues I had with the 06 when I got it versus any issues I had with the 07 when I got it. All right, so I did go ahead and add a piece of water soluble on top. Even though this is just a test stitch, I was getting a little bit of puckering, and I want to kind of I still want this to kind of stitch out nicely. So I did add a piece of water soluble on top just so that I won't get, or hopefully I'll be able to minimize any puckering. This design is a little bit more on the dense side, so that's why I went ahead and did that. I am gonna have to do another color change, but I will go ahead and do that with you guys on camera just so that you can see that once you kind of learn how to do the stitching, I'm sorry, not the stitching, the threading, once you kind of learn how to do it, it's super easy. It is super fast. And honestly, you know, before I got into embroidery with the single needle, I did think that the threading was going to be the hardest part. But it turns out that the threading actually is one of the easiest parts. And I actually just thought about something. I have to add my Mylar. So I actually have to remove the water soluble and add the Mylar. I think I'm still gonna get some puckering no matter what, only because it's a thinner material that I'm using, but it's fine. So I did just switch it, and I'm gonna go ahead and get this going. It's a back to school design with an apple, and the apple has Mylar. So that's what I just added to my hoop, so that it's going to go ahead and embroider over the Mylar. But I want to kind of quickly talk about the tension issues. So I know, like, when I first got the Poolin, I want to say it was around the time it had first come out. And so there were a lot of kinks that I was kind of having to work through. Whereas some of the new machines, the 06s that they sell now, they don't seem to have the issues that I was having when I first got the 06. Like when I first got the 06, there wasn't even the Wi-Fi capability. That was an update that ended up coming later. So if you don't have a machine now and you're trying to decide between the 06 and the 07, I can say that from what I've heard from talking to other people, being in the Poolin Facebook group and all of those things, that the 06s that they are selling now have already been updated. They do come with the update. You don't have to manually do it yourself like I did. And then they also don't seem to have the same tension issues that I was having when I first got it. I did have a lot of birds nesting. I had a lot of tension issues. That was just my experience. And again, I think it was because I bought the 06 around the time that it first came out. Like I said, a lot of the people that have the '06s now or are buying '06s now, this was a couple years ago, a lot of people that are buying the '06s now don't seem to have those same issues. So they did go ahead and kind of work out those kinks. And it does come, like I said, already updated with the Wi-Fi, whereas I had to do that manual update myself. But the reason that I would choose the '07 over the '06 is because of the embroidery area. For it to only be a $350 difference between the two, I would definitely absolutely say go with the '07, just because, like I said, it's bigger. You don't ever want to, you know, skimp on the embroidery area size and go smaller, because within a few months, once you learn it, once you have kind of, you know, gotten into the thick of everything, you're going to regret not having that bigger area. Everybody regrets it. I haven't spoken to a person who used a single needle machine that went smaller who didn't regret going smaller. So if you can, you know, save for maybe a little bit more time if you need to, or whatever the case may be, to be able to get the '07, I would absolutely say go with the '07. However, in terms of will the '06 get the job done? Absolutely. Because you can always do the split designs. Now, I've never done the split design. The 7.9 by 11 is not a terrible area. So yeah, it's gonna make your designs maybe on larger shirts, like I said, maybe 2, 3, 4X. Once you get up into those bigger sizes, if you're doing t-shirts or hoodies or whatever the case may be, once you get up into the 2, 3, or 4X, they may come out a little bit smaller or may not be as prominent as if you were to buy the bigger one. However, it's not necessarily a deal breaker. I was taking orders, pumping out orders for sizes up to 1X with my '06 with the 7.9 by 11 embroidery area. So it definitely gets the job done. If you have a 2, 3, or 4X that you need to do a split design with, that is also a possibility. You can absolutely get whatever you need done with the '06. I would just say, for the sake of not having to upgrade later, that's why I say go with the '07. That's pretty much it in terms of the differences between the two machines and my opinion on them. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of embroider the rest of this design. I still have about 49 minutes left on this design, so I'm just gonna kind of speed up the rest of the process, and I will show you guys the finished design at the end. All right, you guys, here is the final stitch out. I did have a little issue with my bobbin right here, which is why you kind of see that line. Um, There's a few tweaks that need to be made for it to be on a single needle. So a lot of the times, or not a lot, but sometimes when you guys are digitizing files, or if you digitize files, you have to keep in mind that what may work for a multi-needle may need a little bit of tweaking for the single needle. So there is a couple of tweaks that I would make for my file to be able to stitch better on the single needle. So things like, let me see if I can find it. So like I don't know if you can see here the line of demarcation. So I would try to fix that. Lines of demarcation or artifact lines show on the single needles way more than they show on the multi needles, for sure. So just a couple of little tweaks I would make here and there to kind of clean it up. But hopefully I was able to answer your questions. This video wasn't about the file. I just wanted to show you the final stitch out. But this video was about the difference between the 06 and the 07. Hopefully I was able to shine some light on that. Hopefully I was able to answer your questions. I will have a coupon code down in the description box for $100 off. It doesn't matter which machine you order. That works for either the 06, the 07, or even the Poolin multi-needle as well. I believe it's the EOM or the EOX or both. But it's the $100 off coupon code. I will leave that link down in the description box for you. That's all I have for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Everything that I use in today's video will be linked down in the description box as well. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hype, all that good stuff. Until next time, bye guys.